I can be on top. I can be on top. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. Increase your reading skills with short "a" sentences. Practice number 7. The log is long. The log is long. Now it's your turn. Good job! Tom got a job. Tom got a job. Your turn. Let us jog and hop. Let us jog and hop. Your turn. The boy rolls the rod. The boy rolls the rod. Your turn. I cannot see the dot. I cannot see the dot. Your turn. Mon can mop the lot. Mon can mop the lot. Your turn. A hog is on top of a log. A hog is on top of a log. Your turn. See you in the next video. Goodbye.